So in this section, we will be talking about how to find common interview questions and how to answer them. So after a quick Google search, I came across 3 websites that could help. So one is the Muse, second one is Glassdoor, and the third one is Indeed. These are very common job help search websites that should be able to help you in your preparation for interviews. So in the Muse, we see that there are a list of common interview questions and how to basically answer them and guides on how to answer them as well. So for example, question 1 in this guide, it talks about, can you tell me a little about yourself? And so it talks about examples on what to do and what not to do. So you can go through each part, each section, and read about what are common interview questions and how to answer them. And from this, you can practice coming up with answers that are very natural for you. Now the second website is Glassdoor. This also talks about common interview questions, and it mainly just has a list of a bunch of questions that potentially they could ask you, and it's very helpful to have such a wide list of questions since you're able to practice more or have someone help you practice these lists of questions, and you can practice answering them as well. So now on this third website, this has mainly the top 10 interview questions and answers that a company can ask you. So this website shows questions that they'll ask and also an example of what a typical answer would be, and also there are some guides, paragraphs to help you out on this question and answer interview. So you can basically look at this website for questions, how to answer them, and a guide on basically how to answer them as well. So from these 3 websites, you should be able to develop some common interview questions and also get into the mindset of how to answer them. But there are some very basic guidelines that you should follow so that way you can stay professional for the employer's point of view.